Breaking down Planet 13 here. So looking at this stock, it's very, very bearish. Been heavily bearish for a long time. Seems to be kind of leveling out a little bit. Probably temporary. I looked at their financials. They're horrendous. So this company's probably eventually going to go to zero unless it gets acquired somehow or something. But we'll break down the technicals and we'll see if there's any possible trade setups. So market's currently closed. It's Tuesday night. So sitting at 82 cents. Price is above this daily moving average. I want to see if there's an area of possible seller supply. Would be right here, right around 90 cents. So you can see the last couple days have been pretty bullish here. This was Tuesday's close, today's close, so pulled back and then rejected. So odds are we'll pull up again and head for this zone here, and then we might be looking for a sell position. I just want to see, you can see when price came down, yeah, literally pulled down, came back in this 50%, 618 area. So this is a huge supply zone, and then odds are we'll actually at least retest these lows, if not go further. So yeah, I do think it's going to sell off. And then as far as potential trades, let's see if we can maybe figure something out. We got to look at our ranges first. So on the week, usually does about 16 cents, and it's already done 15 cents this week. So it's kind of moved its normal range already. So I wouldn't expect too much out of it for the rest of the week, but could still happen. So it's about, let's see if this is the high at 85-ish for the week. It's about 5 cents away from this 90 mark. I'll put this in actually so we know what we're looking at here. 90. So yeah, that would kind of looking for price to come up to this area. As far as a potential buy, like I do believe that would be counter trend trading. Yes, price is above this daily, but I mean, looking back here and then even this sell off here, I guess it has made higher lows. So nothing crazy, but it as of the end of August, it has been trending up somewhat, sort of, if you can even call that trending up. I guess it had this big buy and then it heavily sold off, and now it's stuck below this 90-cent zone. So I probably wouldn't buy it unless it broke this area. If it broke this area and then retested, then we would look for potential buys. But until then, I don't think it would be a great idea to buy this. So probably be looking to sell it, to be honest. I'd look for price to come back up to this area and reject, and then look to at least sell back down to this supply area here. You can see all the wicks. You can see price respected it before, respected it, broke, had a tough time breaking it, finally broke above, came back down, sat on top of it. It's now coming up for this, it's now coming up for this area. So do think that once price makes it in this area, it will sell back down here. So I'd probably just wait till price hits this area, and then wherever those wicks end up, just keep your stop a little bit above. Keep it above these previous wicks, these ones, at least this one right here. Keep your stop a little bit above that. You'd be looking at something like this, probably from about 90 cents down to roughly 70. So put that in here. This would be the kind of trade setup I'd be looking at. And as far as timelines, on a month, it usually moves, let's see, usually moves about 45 to 50 cents. And the high for the month as of right now is only 85. So again, if it goes up 5, yeah, it's definitely within range to come back up to this area and sell back off to end the month. So we'll just put that in here. We'll go something like this. I think it's a very reasonable trade. So depending on by the time it gets up at this 90 cents, look for your sell positions, especially if it hits this area and starts resisting. You get lots of wicks. Then you start getting some lower lows, lower highs on the lower time frames. Then I'd be looking for a sell position. Keep your stop above all these previous wicks. You can even be a little bit generous, right? You got good risk to reward. I mean, if you can get a 3, I think that's perfect. Get a 3 risk to reward here, and then target 70 cents back in the middle of this area type of thing, just to see what it wants to do. I mean, there's a chance that it blows right through this area, and then you could just hold it, I guess. But if it gets if it comes back down to this area, starts getting bought up, then just close your position, take your profits, and we'll reanalyze it. So that is my take on Planet 13. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.